You walk into a store, your old phone still works. The screen has a small crack. The battery isn't perfect, but it's fine. Then you see the newest model, sleek, shiny, futuristic. You tell yourself this isn't luxury, it's productivity. $1,200 later, you leave the store feeling accomplished, successful, modern, adulting. Then it hits you, that cheap old charger, it looks like garbage next to this masterpiece. So you buy the fancy wireless charger, $40, the old case, it's tragic on this new device. You get the leather one, $60, your headphones don't work. You need the wireless ones, $250. 2 days later, your $1,200 essential upgrade has quietly turned into $1,600, and you barely noticed. This isn't just bad money habits, it's psychology, a chain reaction that ruins more wallets than the stock market ever could. It's called the Diderot Effect, and it explains why winning the lottery can lead to bankruptcy, or why a dream home sometimes becomes a financial nightmare. Let me take you back. France, 1765. Meet Denis Diderot. Philosopher, brilliant mind, co-founder of the encyclopedia, famous but broke. He lived simply, worn clothes, old rugs, a rickety chair, and he was happy. Then Catherine the Great offered him a fortune for his library. He could keep the books, but the money, life-changing. Suddenly, Denis was rich. What did he do first? He bought a luxurious scarlet robe. Magnificent. He felt like a king, but then he looked around his room. His desk was scratched, his rug frayed. The contrast was unbearable, so he replaced them, one by one. Everything had to match the elegance of the robe. By the end, Denis Diderot was broke again. He wrote later, "I was the master of my old robe, but I became a slave to my new one." This is the Diderot Effect. Introducing one new possession triggers a spiral of upgrades until everything around it feels inadequate. Today, it's even worse. Marketing is engineered to exploit this. Take fitness, for example. You buy a Peloton bike, $1,500. You can't wear your old gym shorts, they clash. So you buy cycling shoes, compression shorts, branded tops. Then the bike looks out of place in the living room. Yoga mats, dumbbells, maybe a new TV. Suddenly, your $1,500 bike turned into a full-blown identity overhaul. Humans crave consistency. We want our world to match how we see ourselves. Buy a luxury car, suddenly, your wardrobe, your furniture, your vacations all must align. And here's the brutal truth. You're not buying because you need it. You're buying to maintain a coherent story of your life. Your things are telling you how to act and spending money to keep up. So how do you fight it? Step 1. Predict the chain reaction before you buy that PS5, a new suit, or a car. Ask, what else will this demand? Write down every additional cost. If it pushes your budget too far, don't buy it. Step 2. The one in, one out rule. Every new item should replace an old one. Donate, sell, or toss the old. Keep your possessions manageable and avoid building a shrine to your purchases. Step 3. Embrace strategic downgrading. Sometimes the best way to prevent the spiral is to keep anchor items modest. A reliable old car, a simple watch. When your anchors are humble, nothing else demands an upgrade. Luxury isn't bad. I love nice things, but understand the game. Consumerism is designed to make you feel incomplete. That one purchase from happiness is a trap. Remember Denis Diderot, don't be a slave to your robe, be the master of your life. If you want to learn more about building wealth without the lifestyle trap, check out the next video. And if this saved you from a reckless purchase this week, hit like, subscribe, and take control of your money.